This is part 2 of our Sunshine Coast adventure from kilometers 64 to 98, where we climb higher up into the Alpine and have to overcome a 1,200-meter ascent, 2 bear encounters, big water carries, a nasty steep downhill scramble, knee pain, and more rain. We also get to see amazing alpine views, beautiful lakes, we see a snake, and take a ride in an abandoned boat.
I like the skeleton. You see this?
So this is the trail. Okay, it's totally smooth.
Yeah, that's what they said. They said it was like perfectly smooth and flat.
Well, that should be easy walking. Hey, Ghost, come on. Ghost, drink. Drink. So we skipped a section. We skipped over using the Sunshine Coast Trail Shuttle, and those guys are awesome, by the way. I definitely recommend them. To Anthony Island Hut is where we're going right now.
Oh, a sandy beach. That's cool.
Drink. Go drink. That is pretty cool. Hey! Hail! No! Hail! Chris, it's a bear! Hail!
What? Where?
No!
Hail!
Come!
Hail! Come.
Grab her!
Come on. You saw a bear?
Right now! Stop! Put her on leash.
You got your bear spray out?
I do. He's right here. No! He went right up here. No! Come on, let's go!
He was that close? I didn't
Oh
even
yeah,
see him.
I saw him. She just stopped dead and came back when I whistled. She is such an amazing dog. What an amazing girl. What an amazing girl. Such an amazing girl. What a good girl you are, Hale, for coming back to mom.
You have your safety off your bear spray.
Of course I do. It was black as night.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, they can still smell it, obviously.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if it was going the other direction.
I don't know. He went up, straight up. Quick morning video of our setup. There's the durston tent. We are on a lake. I'll have to put the name of the lake on the screen because I don't know what it is right at this moment. But there's the dog tent. That's the dog tent from HMG, Hammock Gear. There's the dogs. And we're trying to decide if we're going to do a 0 day today to recover a little bit. I've got a sore throat in my knees and my ankles are really sore. You okay to be in the video? You're okay? This is our new German friend. And
Hi.
hello. And we are just gonna eat some brekkie and decide what we're gonna do. Outhouse is over there. We're at Anthony Island. I'm underneath the tarp. I'm looking at the dog tent. Ghost is over there. Ghosty! Look at, he's all curled up. It's supposed to rain again. Maybe at 10. I think that we're just trying to wait here until there's no more rain. I think we're gonna go about 12K today actually to Fiddlehead. I was thinking it was 16, but I think it looks like it's about 12K, so that should be good. There's a hut there, and in case it rains again, it might be good to have a hut there overnight. It's nice to not have to set up the tarp, because the dogs can just go on the front deck and sleep. Otherwise, we have to set up the tarp just in case. But yeah, should be good. We'll see. I don't know how much elevation there is. I haven't really looked at the map yet, but I'm gonna check it out. And I'm tired actually today, and I've got a sore throat, and I feel like I just want to go to sleep. So I might just go to sleep for another hour before we start hiking. Our cold soaked salads ready for peak eats. We're putting them in our cold soak jars. We're going to soak them for a couple hours in cold water. See how that works, and then eat them for lunch. There's 4 servings in this bag, so I have to be careful not to eat too much. We're doing a grueling uphill old road, and wow, is it steep. I'm just dying.
Another dry creek bed. Looks like there's a waterfall here when the water's flowing. Look at this tree. See that? Let's go find the water.
Uh-oh, is he gonna get stuck? Oh! Oh, fuck. Oh! Okay. I got you, baby. I got you. Just wait. I'm coming.
He's too big.
I'm coming. Let's go. Come on. Come on, we'll try again. Hey, no, wait.
Hey, I'll show him how to get through there.
Just wait. I got you, Ghost. Just wait. Okay.
Are you tired?
Do you have the elevation thing?
Yes, Yeah. Why does it look like a big flat spot right there? That looks like a foundation for something. Do you see it?
Maybe there used to be an old cabin there or something.
Well, that could be a campsite too. These are some giant trees in here. Hey? Yeah. Look at that stump on that one. That one looked like the grandfather tree of all these ones.
Walking through this incredible old growth forest right now. It's so cool. It's just like huge trees all fallen over. And the way the trees groan in the wind is just eerie. It's just like, it's so weird. They almost sound human. My dog is pulling me like a crazy person. Here we go through a tree tunnel.
Ghost, go drink some water. Go on, drink. Drink, there's water down there.
Ghost, go to the water. Go to the river.
Go drink. Oh, there's a challenge tree for the kids. Walk across that.
Confederation Lake is just peeking through the trees. We're almost to it. We gotta go all the way back down. Look at the fungus on the trees. Pretty cool.
Are we on the right trail? Yeah, but it seems like it's pretty overgrown.
This way. What's wrong?
He's getting impatient. Where the heck is she gone now?
We're just walking up to Confederation Hut. That was the lake. And here's the hut. We're on a bridge. It was a grueling uphill to get here. Grueling. Oh, are you at the hut? Come here, Bo. Come here. This way. This way. Come on, Hale. Up. Oh. Yeah, too much time for me up there. There's the upstairs where you can sleep. And there's a stove, which is something that the other huts didn't have. Must get kind of cold up here sometime.
Get on.
Go in. Go in the water. Go in the water. Go in. Drink. So there's Confederation Hut. And here's the absolutely stunning Confederation Lake. Wow. I mean, you can't ask for more than that. I mean, that's amazing. It's really amazing what God has created for us to enjoy.
Okay.
We have a Pink Eats salad that we cold soaked for a couple hours. We have these little extra virgin olive oils from Gear Trade, and these little Marconi vinegar, balsamic vinegar packets. And we put it in, and it's pretty good. It's got beans and lentils and corn and whatever else in here. It's healthy and good, high calorie. Over my legs. Yep. It's been interesting, to put it mildly. Look at my hand. I just went for a dunk, and Chris is out there, and who knows whose boat that was attached here. He's taking a cruise on the boat that doesn't belong to him at all. Who knows who put this boat up here, and how on earth would they get it up here? It's just crazy town. There's just this boat sitting here for no reason at all in a mountain lake. He dumped all the water out of it. He's going for a cruise with no life jacket.
See this? Look at this.
Yeah, I see it.
It's a nail.
Yeah.
I mean, it works.
Can you just take me back to my shoes?
Yeah. This one wants to come out all the time. I want to buy a rowboat now. What do you think?
I think you're passing my shoes.
I'm not even close to the deck yet.
What? Isn't that it right there?
This way. That goes to the outhouse, Hale. Nope. Come on, this way. Seriously? Let's go. Come on, turn around. Go, go, go. You're in the wrong spot. Go. Forward. Turn around. There we go. Yeah. It's right here. Yeah. Vomit Vista, 800 meters. That sounds appealing. Huh? Vomit Vista. Okay, let's go, Hale. Hale, you're going the wrong way. Follow the trail, let's go. Come on. Oh, she has to take a dump.
They haven't had their morning ablutions yet.
No. We go the other way.
Nope, you're not going up there, guys. I want to see the vista. Back up. Come on, this way. Come on, this way. She's got it around her leg.
Come on, go on. Let's go.
Grab him. Stop. No. Now you made me scared. Chris, can you wait?
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm stopping him from going. Except Hale's pulling me.
Okay, go. Thanks. Just on our way to Fiddlehead. It's day 6 for us right now. We might go to Tinhat today. We'll see how we feel when we get down to Fiddlehead. Because there's a huge water carry. We have to carry as much water as we can. And it's like a 1,200 meter ascent. And we don't know if we're going to be able to have enough. There's a water source 2 kilometers after Tinhat, but like we'll probably be dead by the time we get up there. So we'll see how it goes.
Well, so far she seems okay. Go on. Come on. Stop. Okay, go. Go on. How are we doing?
Ghost is just staying back. The roots are a little bit slippery because it was raining really hard a couple days ago, so it's a little treacherous, but it's okay.
Hike. Come on. Go. Ghost, go. Hike. Mom's coming. Hike. Go on. Move it. Hike. Yeah, I know. You want to wait for Mom. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I wonder if it's Vomit Vista because of the clear cutting.
I thought the other one was from Vista.
Yeah.
600 meters would be more.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we saw that one too. I don't know how he managed to do this, but he Houdini'd out of his harness with the saddlebags. Still can't figure it out. We have a problem.
What?
Do you notice anything unusual about Ghost?
What happened?
I don't know, his saddlebags are gone. I have no idea how he did that. Maybe you need to take the saddlebags off.
What happened? What?
You gotta go up and over and around. Yeah. But I did.
Can I just swoosh underneath?
I went just down the log, across to here, got on a roller. Well, that's an interesting technique.
It's better than climbing on the log and breaking a leg.
Is that called the butt slide technique?
Butt slide.
I just have hail. Oh, here, Ghost is coming. Come on, Ghost. Yeah. Come on, Ghost. He doesn't want to move.
Stay with us. Wait for Mom. Go. Wait.
They're going on an adventure.
Too far. Stop. Ghost, come. Did you hear that dog or something?
They were fighting with each other.
What?
Yeah.
No! Stay! Go! Bad boy!
Seasonal means there's no water. And the dogs need water.
That's 2.3K before tinhat.
Yeah, it's here. This is the entrance up here. Yeah, this is just a loft hut. There's no inside down below.
There's some flat spots we could manage. Or we can move the table. Take a look around at all the paths. Because that whole group is coming to Fiddlehead. We're sitting at the Fiddlehead Hut, and there it is. It's open on the bottom. You sleep up there. And we're trying to figure out where we can tent, because the description from the book is a little bit weird, because it says that there's a camping spot at 81.3 and then this is at 82, so maybe we just missed the camping. We're gonna go back and try and find out, figure it out. And that is a shed of some sort, and the washroom's up there. It's very sloped and there's no place at all to tent. That spot down there is not flat, and maybe you could put a single tent there, but that's it. And we're gonna tent underneath this tree. And these trees are really cool. They've got holes all over them. I don't know why. There's a shelter over there, like a roof with a dirt floor that we can cook under. So glad for that. And tomorrow is going to be Tinhat Hut, and then Lewis Lake, I think we'll stay at. Chris, did you know tomorrow night you can have a lake? Come here. Ghost, come see Mom.
Look at all these gorgeous blackberries right by our campsite. This is where we're going to camp tonight.
Look at how many berries right beside where we're gonna sleep tonight. There's a big pile of bear poop too. Hopefully I'm not totally terrified and get some sleep, because I really need sleep for our giant hike up to Tinhat Hut tomorrow. We're in this lovely orchard type campground, and there's bear poop, which is not awesome, but because there's berries, there's so many berries around us. We were picking tons and tons of berries and eating them. And there's beautiful trees. You see those trees all around, and it's really open, and we're the only ones here. And there's actually a shelter. I'll just take you over there. Right there. That we can cook in, and there's an outhouse too. And there's room for like tons of tents, like, I don't know, 10 tents more. It's really nice. You could even put tents down there in the bushes. Probably fit 15 tents in here.
Hail.
Hey, look what Dad has. Ghost, look. Look. Ghost. Look what Dad has. Dad.
Ghost.
Ghost. Look.
Hey, Ghost.
They bite. Don't let him bite his face. Chris, they honestly bite. No, Chris, they bite. Oh my gosh. Too bad there isn't any table in here, because it's kind of a big shack for having nothing in here but dirt. But I guess it's better than zero, right? Chris doesn't have his chair, so he has nowhere to sit. There's like a little railing over here, but that's all there is.
Like we're doing the Green Mile. Yeah. Like it's straight.
It's under her. Go.
Oh, it's nice. They left a few trees on either side of the trail. Logged the rest of it. Oh, we made it through.
We are on our way up to Tinhat. Watch says 2,830 feet to go. Yay! That's more than double what we did yesterday. So this should be fun. At least it's not hot. Hopefully the clouds stay for the whole climb.
Watch says we've come 505 feet so far, and 2,818 feet left to go to the top of Tinhat. 5.67 miles.
Drink, Blacktail. Drink. Drink. Kale, drink. Nope. Kale, this way. This way. Kale.
I like the skeleton. You see this? Last chance for water. He drinks. Are you cleaning your underbelly? Crazy dog. Drink lots, Ghost, or you could be a skeleton halfway up. She's just lying in the creek. It's saying we've done 1,000 feet and we've got 2,333 feet left to go to the top of Tinhat. Kilometer 84. Oh, cool. These are some giant boulders here.
Okay, come here. No. Come here.
We're exactly halfway now, Angel. 1742 down and 1742 to go. Drink the rest of it. I'm not dumping. Give it back to Hale. She'll drink some more. Oh yeah.
No. No.
It's definitely a bear.
No.
Angel, it's a baby bear.
No.
It's just a baby. There could be a mother around.
Hey.
Keep moving.
Hale, hey. No, no. Hale, hey.
Angel, there's two. They're cubs. Keep moving. There's two of them.
That's not good, Chris.
Just keep moving.
There's bears here.
I know.
Well, let's go. Come on.
Okay.
They lied. There's a water source right here.
Yep. But it's seasonal. It's funny how the dogs could smell the bear long before we even saw it, because they were starting to pull hard.
Yeah, and I heard it. And then I looked up and there's little baby poking his head up above the bushes.
Yeah, and then there was a second one about 20 feet to the left of it.
Oh, really? I didn't see that one.
Yeah, there was two.
I wonder
And
who it was.
I didn't see Mom, but she was probably somewhere between us and them.
Oh, for sure. There's something in the bush right there.
A bird.
I think it's a squirrel.
Is she laying down again
Yeah,
in the
she's laying
creek?
down in the water again. She's cooling off. I guess it's not cool enough today.
Maybe just drink out of your filter bottle and then fill that one.
Shouldn't we fill up that 3 liter all the way?
Looking into the mist now.
This road is an alternate downhill off of Tinhat, and if you don't want to go down the really steep, gnarly, scrambly sections, I suggest you go down this way. It actually takes, I think it's like 4 kilometers off of the downhill route, and then you end up on the opposite side of Lewis Lake that we were on.
Oh, he did it by himself. He's a mountain climbing dog. There's the hut. You can see the roof.
Wow! Wow, ghosts! Wow!
The final approach.
at Tinhat Hut. That was a serious climb up here. Show you guys the view. Come on, Hale. Turn around, honey. Spin around. No, the leash is on the wrong side of you, silly. There you go. Come on. Let's go up there. Oh, there's two huts? What the heck? There's more than one hut.
Well, that's probably the washroom.
That's a giant washroom, Chris.
Oh, look. That's not even the summit. There's a summit right there.
Chris, look at that huge building. What is that?
I don't know, but this is the hut here.
Come here, Hale.
That's just the washroom.
Okay, let's go in the hut. Hi guys, are you getting impatient? Hey? Don't like being attached to the picnic table?
I think I'm gonna put some more clothes on.
You guys did good getting all the way up here. Good, Ghosty and Hale. We are at Tinhat Hut, and there's a little stove over there, which is nice. I think these are pellet stoves.
Yeah, it's a pellet stove.
There's instructions how to start it. And the sleeping quarters are upstairs.
Oh yeah, pretty much the same as the last hut we were in.
Do you have your phone on you?
Yeah.
Can you do vertical? Oh yeah, bubblegum ice cream. Chris, where are you?
Up here.
Oh, nice. Here, Color Bear wants to talk to you.
Okay.
He says he wants us to come home. He misses us.
Really?
Here. Chris.
Okay. Some tired pooches. Yeah, this is the loo. I said this is the loo. Does the Garmin say we're on track? Good girl. She just took a big tumble down through the bushes. Shaking it off now, she's fine. Was that fun, Hale? Did you do a couple somersaults down the hill? Yeah. It's a jungle out there.
Hale,
Hale, come.
Hey.
Hale. Come here, Hale. Come on. I'm just gonna go to her. Exact halfway mark of the trail.
Keep in mind that there's about 3 kilometers or more of extra trail in between kilometer 89.5 and kilometer 93. That's between Tinhat Hut and the Hobbit Campground. That's because the trail has been rerouted around the logging.
I think it says 92. Nope, 91. Careful, it might be slippery.
No.
There's water, Angel.
No kidding, Chris.
Okay, no, Ghost.
I'm trying not to die. You better not die either.
Need to be a hobbit to get under some of these logs. Maybe that's why it's a hobbit campsite.
Okay, I'll go. Wait.
Oh yeah. lower. They even notched the log.
Come here.
Oh, great. Another water source.
Go close. You can go, baby. Go on. Go have some water. Go.
Wow. Look at that tree.
This is Lewis Lake. We are so tired. We did tinhat today and came all the way down to here. We're hoping there's a campsite. It doesn't say so on the map. It just says beware of hobbits or something. So we're just hoping there's a campsite up here somewhere. Stop.
Oh my God.
Time anyway, so it really needs to dry.
These guys didn't like that you left them.
Do you have the water over here?
Yep.
Lewis Lake, and we're having breakfast, and we're getting ready to go to Lake Hut if we make it there. We'll see how my knees hold up because I have a really sore knee, so it's possible that we might escape just before going up to the hut onto the road and go out, but we'll see. It all depends on how my knee does today. All dependent. It's pretty hard because it's been 7 days of really hard hiking. It is raining, just kind of pitter-patter raining, spitting, not too bad. And we are on our way to Elk Lake. And it's a big 15-kilometer day today. I think the elevation gain is going to be like 800 feet, maybe. I'm not sure. But I'm not looking forward to that big downhill after Walt Hill. It's big. 1,200 feet of elevation that we have to go down, or 13 or 14, something like that. And I think that my knee might be totally dead by the end of that. So I think we might be going out there because there's a short stretch after the big downhill to the highway, and then only 10K from the highway to the car. So we might be going out there. We'll see how everything goes. So we might only have 2 more nights. We might not do the Golden Standy True Bridge section, which is like 30K less. We'll see.
Ghost. March Lake, Elk Lake 14K it says. See that? There's a way for the dogs to get down. Should we let them drink?
Might as well. It doesn't look like she's interested.
Okay. Picked up the scent of something.
This is our meal at the Shingle Mill Pub again after we got off trail because my knee was a little bit sore, so we got off trail early. We're gonna have to come back and do the second half with the kids. There's the dogs out on the deck. Well, it's only the 20th. We were supposed to leave Powell River on the 24th, but we're leaving now. We got off the trail just before Elk Hill. I was having some trouble with my knee. Chris was having some trouble with his lower back. So we decided to get off trail and do the second half next year, bring the kids back. Because I think the second half is all of the alpine views. I mean, we got one really good one, Tinhat. I think that's the best view on the whole trail. But we definitely need to come back and do the rest of the huts. Do Elk Lake, Walt Hill, Golden Stanley, True Bridge, and finish it off. We didn't get to do any of those, so we will be back. Things just don't work out all the time, and we're actually really, really sad about it.